All right, I think maybe we can start.
Yeah, I guess we should.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Excuse me. I
yeah,
can I just leave the meeting? I'll be back in like a second.
yeah, that's okay.
yeah, sure, sure. All right. Basically, how we'll start. I mean, we'll start once he's back. But what we are going to follow is, I don't think we will be doing a roll call for this, Gaurav.
Yeah, yeah, what's up?
So, do we do a roll call or do we just go ahead without the roll call?
I think we can go ahead. I mean, unless did everyone understand what roll call is, how it works?
Because the
Is there
problem
anyone
is,
who didn't understand?
The roll call part.
okay, so I'll just go through it quickly. So, what a roll call is all delegates. It's like in a classroom, right? When a teacher takes attendance, it's that the chairperson calls out the names of each delegates that's supposed to be in his committee. You can answer in if you're there in committee, you can answer in two possible ways. One is present, and the other is present in voting. Now, if you say you're present, you get the option in at the end of the conference, right? So suppose there's resolution. If you have voted present, you can abstain from voting. However, if you choose present and voting, you have to vote for the resolution. You can say yes, the resolution should pass, or no, the resolution should not pass. You have to take a yes or no stance. That's simply what roll call is. That's all it establishes. Um, is that fine? Has everyone got it? Also, given that we've started this, all of you please switch on your webcams. We'll, I think, test it out how it should be in a month. Yeah. I'll just wait 2 more minutes. All of you can switch on your webcams and then we'll start. There's still a few of you. Yeah. All right. I think then we can start with our motions. So, um, let's say roll call is done. Delegates, are there any motions on the floor? So if you have a motion, raise your hand. So there is a feature on this, which is to raise hands. If you see on the participants side, next to your name, there's a hand button. So if anyone has a motion, raise your hand. Nah.
The delegate France has raised his hand.
All right.
The delegate is France.
The delegate of France proposes a motion to change the agenda to AI in helping COVID-19.
Delegate, I don't think that's an order. We'll be sticking to the agenda that we've given out, simply because I think everyone has prepared for that agenda. Changing the agenda right now may not be in everyone's best interest. So, are there any other motions on the floor? All right, delegate of India from UNDP. Delegate, your mic switched off.
Delegate of India would like to raise the motion to start the formal debate and enter to GSLs.
Uh, okay.
You want me to
That's
set the you want me to set the agenda first?
no, that's fine. I think we can go ahead. That's fine. Okay, so all those in favor? And I guess this is opening formal debate. I suggest everyone is in favor of this. Um, okay, I think for right now, it's best if all of you just raise your hands on video. I think that becomes easier for me to monitor. Those in favor? Okay, I'll just have to do this because Anhad, Anurag Thakur from the AIPPM, and Barkha Dutt, your videos are off, so I can't see what y'all are voting.
Okay, what we can do is delegates who are in favor of the motion, they can write yes on the chat for now. For now.
Yeah, maybe you can do that. Maybe that works better, right? All right. So, all those in favor?
Chatting isn't working my phone. I don't know.
Okay, so there's one thing what
So, your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me?
All right. I think this motion passes. All those wishing to speak in the GSL.
can write speak in the chat box. Okay, there's one thing that I'll do from now on. Every time we are done with a vote or something, I will just add this blank in the chat. And then you can write, delegates who wish to speak can write yes beyond that, okay? Okay, does that work? Okay.
Right.
Chair, I have a doubt.
Yes, delegate.
For how many minutes will each speaker speak?
90 seconds. 90 seconds. A
Cool.
GSL lasts 90 seconds. Gaurav, can you keep a count of the time?
Yeah.
All right, delegates. So this is what I'll do. So when you have completed 60 seconds, I will probably just make a. I'll let you know when you have completed, say, 60 seconds, and at 90 seconds, I will ask you to stop. All right. I think Gaurav, who is doing the time, he'll do it. So, in the order of recognition, delegate of Saudi Arabia, you have the floor. Um,
Delegate of Saudi Arabia, be there.
Delegate of Saudi Arabia from the UNDP.
Yeah, your mic is muted. You would have to unmute your mic to speak. Delegate of Saudi Arabia.
We can't hear you, Delegate. You
Hello,
you
can you
aren't.
hear me now?
Yeah, we
Hello?
can hear you. Yeah,
Yeah, sorry.
that's all right.
Saudi Arabia's Deputy Minister of Technology, Industry and Digital Capabilities, Dr. Ahmed, talks about his country's ambitions to drive innovation and economic growth using advanced digital technologies to deliver on its bold reform program, Vision 2030. Saudi Arabia is undertaking the largest and most ambitious economic reform and transformation program in its history. A broad range of initiatives is being rolled out on to realize the objectives of Vision 2030. Digitalize and artificial intelligence are key enablers of these wide ranging reforms. Our digitalization initiatives support our Vision 2030 objectives in various ways, and in particular by building an information and communication technology infrastructure fit for the 21st century. All technologies rely on this, so it's a top priority. Saudi Arabia is also building a robust localized technology sector to support Vision 2030 programs. Our aim is not only to support local demand, but to export our technology and compete with leading international providers. Vision 2030 programs also promote
60
innovation,
seconds.
widespread use of open data, which we believe is the fuel of the 21st century, and efficient government. Vision 2030 will bring about major changes across the economy and society and will significantly improve the quality of our citizens' lives. We are all very excited about the country's ambitions and the direction we are moving in. Things are happening faster than you can imagine. What used to take years now takes days. People are very excited about Vision 2030, which is already starting to yield tangible results. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Delegate.
Del.
How much time is left?
He went 1 second over, so no time.
All right. All right. The next delegate recognizes the delegate of India from the UNDP. Delegate, you'll have to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Oh, thank you for recognizing me, Chair. So, delegation of India clearly believes that artificial intelligence is not dangerous for humanity. Well, it's really helpful, in case of today's world crisis. Also, if we discuss about artificial intelligence is used to, used to take various medical, it is used to take various measures and stuff. It also, and it also, makes people aware of what's okay, basically discussing about India. So almost all the Indian hospitals and stuff are using artificial intelligence for checking corona patients and stuff uh, to reduce the risk of doctors. Uh, and more about artificial intelligence. Well, on cases of privacy of the country on defense or something, artificial intelligence is somewhat dangerous for that because it invades the privacy of the nation. That's all. That's all, Chair.
All right.
Thank you, Delegate. You have 30 seconds left. How would you like to yield that time?
I'd like to yield my time on comments.
All right. All delegates who have comments on the delegate of India speech, um, please raise your hands or type it into the chat box. All right. Seeing none.
Yeah, next speaker, Delegate of Syria. Sorry, France.
Delegate of
Delegate of
France.
France, you have the floor.
Thank you, Chair. AI is likely to be either the best or the worst thing to happen to humanity, said Stephen Hawking. Well, the delegate of France firmly believes that AI is the future of the world and it reduces the workload for man and makes his day-to-day activities easier. Well, most delegates might oppose this statement, but it is a fact. As we increase the use of AI, it reduces the workload for man, and in turn, we're educating the masses in the operation and repair of these machines, increasing the need for skilled labor and stimulating the masses to pursue some form of degree, therefore leading to a better chances for pay and eliminating poverty. Well, France has quite a few aims in the field of AI. first one is to build dynamic landscape of AI ecosystem with the input of community. Second, to organize the annual France AI conference to celebrate the ecosystem as well as the exchange on latest research applications or the debate of societal implications. Third, support local activities with, with any financing and network by the ecosystem for the ecosystem. And four, to build bridges with other AI hubs such as US, Canada, UK, Switzerland, and China. Thank you. Thank you all delegates of the global community.
Thank you, Delegate. You have 10 seconds left. How do you like to yield your time?
I'd like to yield my time to questions.
Okay. Are there any questions on the delegate of France to speak?
Anything, delegates?
As a question, should mention their name in the chat box over there.
All right. So let me just tell you the importance of questions. Um, questions have to find out logical mistakes in another delegate speech, right? And that often wins you points in the final scoring. So questions are important. Keep in mind you don't need to have questions for everything, but if you do have a valid question, make sure you ask it because that often wins you a lot of points. Given that we don't have any questions right now, the next speaker recognized is
Delegate of
Mr.
Syria.
Venkatesh. Yeah. No, Mr. Venkatesh first. Delegate of Syria is after. Is he here?
Yes, thank you, Chair, for the recognition. As I have not yet received a country, I would like to make a. Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead.
As I have not received a country yet, I'll be making a general speech. The development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of human race. It would take off on its own and redesign itself at an ever-increasing rate. Humans, who are limited by slow biological evolution, couldn't compete and would be superseded. This is a quote by Stephen Hawking, which was said in a BBC interview in December 2014. This proves that AI that are made with goals misaligning with ours would have a chance to not only outperform us, but also lead to our extinction. If AI surpasses humanity in general intelligence and becomes super intelligent, then this new artificial intelligence could become powerful and difficult to control. Just as the fate of the mountain gorillas, a species of animals, depend on human goodwill, the fate of humans shall also depend on AI. I end my speech. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Delegate. You have 30 seconds left. How would you like to yield?
I would like to yield my time to comments.
All right. Delegates, are there any comments on Venkatesh's speech? All right. Seeing none, the next speaker is the delegate of Syria.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Before I start. Yeah, okay. So the delegate of Syria looks at the situation of artificial intelligence in today's world as the two sides of a double-sided scepter. So take, for example, the data surveillance which is taking place in the Republic of Korea. Due to the act which has been formulated in this region, the cases to the population ratio has been greatly decreased in South Korea, and in a matter of 1 month, they have managed to reduce the number of cases tenfold. So, what the artificial intelligence has its advantages based on the situation. It's purely scenario based. Take, for example, cyber terrorism and how it has influenced the current geopolitical situation in Syria. If you were to, a lot of news and a lot of um, insinuating news has fueled a lot of riots and also terrorism plots throughout the nation of Syria. And in a generalized form, the Government of Syria believes that AI can be advantageous or disadvantageous purely based on the scenario. It cannot be proved that AI is definitely it is the future of the world. Of course, it is the future of the world, but
Right.
it does come
Delegate,
with
your time's up. Delegate. Thank you, Delegate.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Unfortunately,
All right,
you have
delegates.
no time left.
Are there any other
Yeah, go ahead.
motions? Please type it in. All those delegates wishing to be recognized for a motion.
Okay. Okay.
Delegate of France.
France wishes to propose a moderated caucus with the topic discussing the need for AI in curbing the COVID, allotting a time period of total time period of 15 minutes, allotting 30 seconds per speaker.
All right, delegate. That motion is in order. Any other motions? Are there no other motions? All right. Seeing none, we will vote upon the motion by the delegate of France to discuss.
Yeah, just 1 second. Delegate of France, considering the number of people in committee, would you be open to amending that motion to allot 1 minute speaker time for each delegate? You're mute.
Yes, Chair.
All right. So all those in favor of the motion proposed by the delegate of France to discuss the impact of AI in curing the COVID-19 pandemic, please type in yes in the chat box now.
And one more thing, delegates, when you vote present in committee, you have the option to abstain, but that option is not for this kind of voting. That only applies during resolutions. So when you vote on a motion, it's known as procedural voting, and that time it's compulsory for everyone to vote.
All right. Okay, I'll wait for another minute. All right, I think we have the number. This motion passes. Delegate of France, would you like to be the first speaker or the last speaker?
Last speaker.
All right. All delegates wishing to speak, please type down speak in the chat box. Okay. Venkateshwarlu, you've been recognized. Delegate of Saudi Arabia from the UNDP. Delegates, it's important to involve yourself in this mock one because you can say anything you want to, but it just helps you familiarize with this concept of months. I'm looking for more speakers.
Yeah. I want the delegates to come in to speak for this motion. All right. We also have the delegate of Greece.
And the delegate of Greece. All right. So delegates keep sending in when you want to speak, but all right. The topic is I'm going to send it in. Just look at that. All right.
The topic is AI dangerous for humanity?
No. The topic of the moderated caucus, I think.
Oh.
Is what?
Yeah, using AI to curb the COVID-19 pandemic.
Yeah, using AI to curb the COVID-19 pandemic. Gaurav, can you type it in my chat somehow? All right. So the first delegate recognized is Venkateshwarlu. Uh, Delegate, you have the floor for 60 seconds.
Thank you, Chair, for the recognition. I would like to say recommended and useful in this fight against COVID-19 due to factors such as the doctors do not have to go up close to the patients to examine them and test them for COVID-19, which saves much more lives than you can imagine. And all the treatments and the injections and all of those can be done by AI simultaneously without breaking a sweat. But doctors, you would have to hire hundreds of them to work in a country, and to also beat this virus, it would take a lot if we work only with our human resources. But we work with AI and with artificial intelligence resources, it would be over in a matter of months. As a matter of fact, the Oxford Academy has been testing a vaccine in on 200 humans, and it is going to uh, hopefully find a vaccine by September 2020. I end my speech. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Are there any points on the delegate speech?
So just to remind you, the points you can raise in this scenario against the speech are points of orders to point out logical fallacies and factual inaccuracies.
So if there are any points, delegates, type it in. Delegates, again, let me just tell you this, because this is a test run, it'll be great if all of you have your webcams.
All right. Delegate of Greece, to what point do you rise?
I'm so sorry, my mic was muted. I raised to the point of order.
You're
All right.
recognized, delegate. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
You, delegate, you mentioned that AI has not been used in to fight the COVID-19 virus yet. But the fact is that in various countries, one in specific, South Korea, has used it to completely change their game and decline the number of cases. They have used AI and they have used it well.
Okay, yeah, that just proves my point more. Thank you.
Delegate, you can't respond to that.
Unless
Oh, sorry, my bad.
That's all right.
My bad.
Delegate of Greece, point noted. Just for this instance, delegate of, would you like to respond?
Yes, please.
All right, go ahead.
I was not aware of that actually, but what you just said proves my point even more. I said that if AI is used, this fight against COVID-19 can be done much faster, and you have just proved my point. So thank you.
All right, delegates, that's in order.
Right to follow up.
No delegate. No.
Okay.
All right, the next delegate recognized is the delegate of Saudi Arabia from the UNDP.
Thank you, Chair, for recognizing me. Since the first report of COVID-19 in Wuhan, China, it has spread to at least 100 countries. As China initiates its response to the virus, it leans on its stronger technology sector and specifically AI, data science and technology to track and fight the pandemic, while teach leaders, including Alibaba, Baidu, and Huawei, and more accelerated their companies' healthcare initiatives. As a result, tech startups are integrated, involving with clinical, academic, and government entities around the world to activate technology as the virus continues to spread to many other countries. The better we can track the virus, the better we can fight it. By analyzing news reports, social media platforms, and government documents, AI can learn to detect an outbreak. Tracking infectious diseases risk by using AI is exactly the service Canadian startup Blue Dot provides. Robots aren't susceptible to the virus, So they are being deployed to complete many tasks such as cleaning and sterilizing and delivering food and medicine
Delegate,
to
your
this is your
time has elapsed.
concluding statement.
Yeah, go ahead.
In China, Pudu technology developed these robots that are typically used in the catering industry to more than 40 hospitals around the country. Thank you.
All
All right.
right.
Thank you.
Are there any points on the delegate speech? All right. All right. Seeing none, we'll move on to the next speaker, which is the delegate of Greece.
Yes, Chair, am I audible?
Yeah.
Thank you, Chair. Um, as the delegate of Greece, I'd applaud the great nation of South Korea on how they have handled the situation. They have used AI in the most useful way. The three T's principle that they have used during this virus: trace, treat, trace, track, and treat. Um, how could they do this without AI? They have used the AI in the most powerful way to limit the number of cases in their country, and Greece, our nation, has taken behind them, and we have very less cases compared to the rest of Europe. And there's a reason for that, because we have there's a reason for that. That is because we have used our AI again very well. We have used it for statistics. We get knowledge from all
Delegate, your
parts of
time is
Europe
up.
at this time. Okay, thank you, sir.
All right.
Are there any points against that speech?
Uh,
Delegate of Saudi Arabia, do you have? Yeah, delegate of Saudi
yeah,
Arabia.
point of order.
Yes, delegate.
The delegate mentions when he was talking about Saudi Arabia that we have done well in using AI. Even the delegate supposed to be representing delegation of Greece.
Delegate of Greece, please follow up.
I'm sorry, I did not mention Saudi Arabia. I mentioned Greece.
I mean South Korea.
South Korea. Yes, I said that I mentioned that South Korea has
All
done
right,
very well.
delegate, just a
And
minute. Delegate of Saudi Arabia, what was your point?
For point of order, it was
What was
the delegate of Greece said that when he was talking about Saudi Arabia, he stated that we are doing well with AI during the fight against the pandemic.
right?
So he's representing the delegation of Greece. He stated
Yeah,
we.
delegates. So other delegates have the option to laud the performances of other countries. Like they can praise or they can criticize what other countries have done. So he did mention in his speech that he's applauding another nation's efforts. So I think that point does not stand. Are there any other
Chair,
points?
can I reply to his point of order?
No delegate. No delegate. It does not stand. So, all right. Are there any other speakers for this given moderated caucus? Delegates, I urge all of you to speak at least once. So, delegate of Singapore has been recognized.
Am I audible?
Yes, delegate, you are audible. Just give me a minute. I'll just see if that. Okay, okay. Actually, delegate, yeah, you have the floor. Go ahead.
I think everyone has the same question in their mind. When is the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19 pandemic, going to end? And it's a very valid question because we seem to be getting conflicting answers from researchers and scientists. Some of us do understand that these things are not easily measurable, and it looks like the only answers we are getting is that we have to wait it out. But a project done by Singapore University of Technology and Design might shed some light on when we can expect the virus to be eradicated in a particular country. The information comes from the artificial intelligence technology and world data from our World in Data. The data include total confirmed cases, total death, new confirmed cases, new death and population data. By using artificial intelligence algorithm, SUTD is able to project the infection curve and generate data on when it believes the virus pandemic will end for a particular country. It breaks down the projection based on a 97, 99, and 100% chance. It has projected that Singapore has a 97% chance of seeing the virus end on May 9th, 99% on May 15th, and 100% on June 10th. I end my speech. Thank you.
Points noted, delegate. Are there any points on the delegate of Singapore speech? None? All right. Seeing none. All right. So, delegate of Greece, do you have a point?
Yes, Chair. The delegate mentioned, referred to the virus as the coronavirus, which is not allowed and they will be sued for. You can only refer to it as the COVID-19 virus in UN Parliament.
Delegate. Yeah, delegates, again, for things like that, I would rather have your not as a point because, yeah, I mean, that's an order, but delegate, please refrain from referring it to as
Can I make a point? Can I make a
yes,
point here?
delegate. Yes, delegate.
I said, when is the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19 pandemic? I referred COVID-19.
Yeah, delegate, that's an order. Fine, that's all right. Are there any other speakers? Delegates, again, I urge you to speak at least once. Um, I think who all haven't spoken yet? Delegate of Portugal from the UNDP, you haven't spoken yet. Few of you haven't spoken yet. Yeah, so all the names being mentioned by the Secretary General haven't spoken yet. So, any of you delegates wishing to speak? All right. Seeing none, delegate of France, you have the floor.
Firstly, the delegate of France likes to applaud all countries around the world who are using AI, artificial intelligence, and a mix of robotics to curb this COVID-19 pandemic. Well, seeing the statistics of this COVID-19, it is the graph is only increasing and is not settling down. Well, I feel that by using artificial intelligence and NASA's intelligence in the in the fields of AI and robotics, with the help of their Mars and Moon rover, we could it could help in moving of COVID-19 bodies, in the disposal of such bodies, in the treatments, etc., etc. Further, when a doctor is treating a COVID-19 patient, he uses either a level 3 or a level B or C hazmat suit, which costs a lot of which has a very high cost. Therefore, in the use of existing AI rovers and robots, the delegate feels that the curve of the COVID-19 pandemic can be settled. It also applauds all nations and many international organizations which are having a live track of the COVID-19 pandemic using using a lot of data in the AI sector. It further applauds China in the way it has contaminated the virus and
An
has
internet issue?
reduced its cases by large numbers. Thank you, delegates.
Yeah.
Right, delegates. Are there any points on the delegate of France's speech? Delegate, yes, delegate. Venkatesh. Right.
Yes, sir. I'd like to raise a point of information. The delegate of France state.
Delegate points of information aren't applicable on moderated caucuses.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
That's all right, delegate. Uh, are there any other delegates wishing to speak? All right, delegate. So what I suggest now, and yeah, actually, are there any other speakers who wish to make
Yeah, I
comments?
think you should prompt people who are not speaking at all to speak once yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So P. Chidambaran, Barkha Dutt, Swasti Jain, and Anhad delegates, please make some points.
Actually, I only came to attend this session just to actually see how the whole flow works. I haven't like really prepared on this topic at all.
That's absolutely okay, Swasti. You can give generic points on this topic because AI, as we know, is a very general topic. So, yeah.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
All right, delegate. So, um, okay, so that's all right if all of you haven't spoken yet. What I suggest is all of you maybe, and this allows us to also probably test it out, is why don't all of you take an unmoderated caucus and discuss within yourselves what what you want to discuss in the topic of AIs, right? I think the whole point of this is to have all of you speaking, and all of you aren't prepared, it's fine. Just try speaking for now, right? So, are there any points on the floor? Are there any motions on the floor? Delegate of Greece? Oh, delegate of Portugal. I apologize. Delegate of Portugal, you're next.
Thank you, Chair, for recognizing me. Delegate of Portugal like to raise a motion for unmoderated caucus for a session to go on unmoderated caucus.
For how long, delegate?
10 minutes.
All right. Would you be all right amending it to say, all right, is 10 minutes fine, Tanmay?
I think it's good.
All right. Delegates, then that motion is in order. All those in favor? Just type it in or raise your hands. Anything. I think by the discretion of the chair, this motion passes. Delegates, you're in the
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Chair. Delegates, how about discussing the role of AI in the for the future? Maybe like for labor or something like that. If there's any suggestion?
Hey, Nikhil, you're delegate of France. You're removed.
Delegate of France, you're muted.
Yeah. So the delegate proposes that we use AI to actually curb the COVID-19 pandemic. So I propose that we'll have a round robin. We have a round robin and everyone gives in their points so that we can put in a reso, or I think a unanimous reso would be fine. So we'll have a unanimous resolution and try to get that passed by committee.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Who do you think would draft the result? Because this is a few. This
I
is
have
like
a
2
drafted
hours.
reso. I have a drafted reso. No, I have a drafted reso, so I can. If you give me the points, I'll put it in. You give me the points, I'll put it in. Fine.
Nikita will do everything that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
Mumra will do
you've
everything,
declared yourself
bro.
author
Yeah,
already.
what I can declare myself author. Look, see. So we'll include everyone, okay? All first time runners as well. Everyone, all first timers, everyone, please give in your points. Like, see, like, because this is very basic, okay? Like, we want to
Okay,
discuss
bro.
how AI is useful in this one, how to curb COVID-19. So, like, all of your country has their own space research organizations and cyber security organizations, etc. Since they're
But
currently
Delegate of
not in
France,
function, yeah.
how do you speak on this when your numbers are raising so much? Because
See,
you have
that's the
not
problem.
curbed it well. You see, if you know that you can use AI, why are you not using it already? Delegate of France.
Lol.
How can you speak on it if you don't if you're not already using it? You think you know it's right, but you're still not using it in your country. People are
See, it's
suffering.
being an application. It's being an
See, how do you
application.
speak on that if you only
See,
can't?
the heads of states are taking it in. are taking in the opinion. They have even
See, on the
they
contradictory side, the delegate of
by
Greece
the
just has
12th of April.
2,600 cases
Yeah, not
and
more
are
other
recovering.
delegates over here.
See,
Yeah,
See,
how
the
See,
delegate
you
of
two over here, the
how
other
the process
delegates.
by the 12th of April, the
Delegates
delegate that the heads of state of
both of
France
you
will have an economic budget for for AI curbing COVID-19.
what?
What?
you
Repeat.
excuse me
By the
again.
12th of April 2020,
Uh,
France will release a
can one of you
France will release a pandemic budget for curbing COVID-19 using AI in its country.
Wow.
So, are you making presidential statement in middle of unmod?
Yeah, make a presidential statement in the middle of an unmod.
Okay,
Hello,
delegates,
guys,
one
just hold on
second.
a second. 1 second, a week second. Everyone, please stop right now. Wait. Hmm. Hi. So, I am the chair for APPM and the the cabinet of the Union, and there are a few things I would like to put here. Okay, एक second. तन्मय सेट चला गया?
हाँ he's gone.
One second. Hello, तन्मय.
So, he's gone. Siddharth has gone.
Set गया?
हाँ.
He's gone. Okay, so I'll be carrying the further session now.
Yeah. Now you can
Okay,
continue.
so I'll be carrying the
On
further
for like
session
5
now,
more minutes.
and 1 second. हाँ, एक सेकंड अभी अभी मैं इनको पॉइंट्स बता दूं, अब मैं यहाँ से देखता हूँ. Are you guys comfortable if I keep my video off, or do you want me to turn it on? I'll
Turn it
start
on.
my video.
turn it on.
okay, all right.
Turn it on.
On Monday.
Turn it on. Thank you.
Hello.
Just give me a second.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess this is fine. So okay. So firstly, the thing I noticed is in Unmod, you are basically trying to, target each other and fight on points. But this is not the purpose of Unmod. Unmod is you have to discuss as a committee what you want to do next, like what you want to discuss the further agendas for moderated caucus, and how you plan to take the committee further. So rather than, exhausting all your points in unmoderated caucus where you are fighting each other, you should try to use them in your speeches, like the questions that the delegate of which country was asking to France. I don't remember the name.
Greece.
So Greece. Okay, so all that should be kept for the main purpose. Although delegate of France, I compliment you for your dressing up, like wearing all the coat and shirt. Its effort is worth it. You're looking nice. So okay, so few things
Bora.
first. Hmm. So right now there are many. Okay, so right now I guess there are hardly 12 to 15 people present, and your committee strength right now also is somewhat less than 20 only. So don't think that low come here so you don't put in your best efforts, because let me tell you, share a story, my personal story. So I used to do skating, and then in this one competition there were only three guys, and in that tournament, like I took it very lightly. There are three guys only, so I'll be first easily. That's why I did not perform my best. I mean, I did. I fell, and then I came third. Now, let me tell you from personal experience, this is like the worst thing ever. When there are less people, less competition, and you still lose. So what you need to do is really put your all efforts in this MUN, because the people are less, and just 1 second.
Yeah, and one more
People are less, and you have all opportunities to win. Okay, don't take this lightly. And for newcomers, this is a great learning opportunity for your first MUN. So use this MUN to learn stuff and win. Okay. And Tanmay, you were saying something?
Yeah, and one more thing. Since there are less people and we are a nationwide MUN, it would be better if you work the best you can, because if you get an award in this MUN, that will be recognized way ahead for you in your college applications and everywhere in the future. So
Yes, the
yeah,
award holds the same power as any other MUN. And so saying that, keeping that in mind, though the thing I want you all to do is when you speak, try to speak without reading. Okay, because I've seen MENers like when they speak, what they do is they keep on reading, plain blank reading, and so their speech might be good, the point might be really well, but the way they deliver it, that's not that recognizable. Like people don't listen to them, and you need to capture the audience here. So that's my point is. And when you speak, focus on the way you speak. Okay, you need to grab everyone's attention in the room because that also carries marks. Your points obviously do, but how you speak it also matters. So try to develop a habit, because I have seen in GSL there's like a speaker comes and reads like in the same tone all along, like for 1 minute. So it gets boring. If every one of you start doing it, the committee will get boring. However, you obviously you can read, but try not to, like start developing a habit, like jot down your points, not the whole speech, jot down your points, and do whatever you're comfortable with, but when you speak from points to point. Try to remember it. And let me tell you how to make a good speech. I did not hear all speeches, but the few that I heard, what you guys were doing is you were either going in complete rhetorics, or there were only facts. So you need to be a mix of both. I what I use to is like, for example, if I have 1 minute, I will give starting 20 minutes to sorry 20 seconds to rhetoric, and then 40 seconds to my facts. Facts are the main. So keep that in the middle of the body. 20 seconds rhetorics to introduce the topic. Then the end 20 seconds for point of information, and if any rhetorical statements you have yet to make. So you keep that in mind. Your speeches should be mixture of both fact and rhetoric. And the thing you do in Unmod, as I've said, is you discuss as a committee as a whole what you want to do next. Okay, so don't fight amongst yourself. You can fight. You can have separate groups according to your countries. For example, like Russia won't be America's best friend in the unmodded session too. So keep that in mind. But when the chair gives you an unmod, you need to come up with a solution to the problem for which the unmod was given. Like discuss and tell the chair like what you want to discuss further. Okay, so any questions till now? There are. Hello.
Yeah, if there are any questions, you are requested to say yes in the chat box
Any questions till now?
if you have any questions.
Just say no, because I need to know that you all are here.
No, chair.
No
No, chair.
question.
All right.
Okay, good.
No, chair.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
Yeah, there's one question.
Yeah, so actually the agenda was is AI dangerous, right? So
Yeah.
I prepared a small speech on that, but I didn't really research about COVID-19 as much.
All right. So
Uh,
we would
and
with
I'm a
time
newbie. I
move.
don't really
Yeah.
know what to do.
Okay, so that's fine, because this is just to open up everyone, like make you comfortable in speaking in front of everyone and just understanding how MN works and all the protocols. So right now we are not marking you, so you can go ahead and speak everything. Like if you want, just stand up and like introduce yourself. That's fine. Just speak, okay? To get that hesitation out. So go ahead. You can speak right now. It's like not a formal debate now. It's a bit informal. So speak. Share your points.
So I can just say what I prepared for.
Yes. Go ahead.
All right. So as in any other invention or technological advancement, AI too has its fair share of negative aspects, but it can't be denied that the benefits it provides outnumbers the negative.
Hello.
Hello,
You're not
sorry
audible.
that. Okay. I repeat
Your
myself.
voice is lagging. Yes, please do.
Yeah. Yes. as in now can you hear me?
Yes, yeah, go ahead.
As any other technological advancement, AI too has its fair share of negative aspects, but it can't be denied that the benefits it provides largely outnumber.
Yes,
So,
you are audible.
Okay, so I thought it was only me. Right
Okay,
now you are, but
so
every
I just
time you
can't.
get to that specific line, you go, your voice just
Yeah, no,
goes
I don't know.
down.
I'm
Okay,
sorry. So should I continue?
don't start from start. Start from there only.
Yeah, yeah. So where was I? Yeah, so it can't be denied that it's got benefits too, right? In every field that it's used, medical field, space technology, automobile, or even defense. So rather than mulling over the question as to whether
Is she
Chidambaram,
audible
we
to you?
can't hear you.
Okay.
so should I just continue?
Could you please speak up?
Fine, from the point.
Chidambaram, your voice breaks whenever you talk.
Okay, so fine. I'm sorry. I'll just do this one last time.
That's fine.
Yeah. So rather than mulling over the question as to whether AI is dangerous or how it's dangerous and things like that, I think that we should find ways to use AI that are beneficial and least harmful to ourselves as well as those surrounding us. I think the best way to do that is set up an environment where we can use AI as well as human intelligence side by side, where neither surpasses the other.
Okay, are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. Sorry.
Thank you very much. Okay, so the thing is like in any point when in committee someone is not audible, you use point of personal
Point of
privilege.
privilege.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you already know about that. So like whenever like P. Chidambaram was not audible, so you can just anyone from the committee can tell that she's not audible. So and then we have to wait till her net is on. So basically, there is that. Just give me a second, okay? Just 1 second. Okay, so has every uh can does anyone remember the second agenda of your that was given to you guys?
Yeah, they can be cases because say if your net is slow, what they do is
The
that
use
they
of AI
automatically turn off everyone's
in
webcam,
curbing the
including yours,
COVID-19
only for
Was
you. So that's why
thing.
you're not able to see. Are you able to listen to people?
wasn't it the use of AI fighting COVID-19?
Yeah, that was the
Yeah,
topic. That
that's
was
exactly
the
what he
topic.
said.
Yeah, so
Yes,
That's what
that's
yes,
because
that
he
of
was
the
it.
internet.
said.
Maybe you just check the internet and come in.
So, but was I audible? I mean, did you at least hear the whole speech, even though it was breaking?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
sort of.
Yeah.
I could hear some
Yeah.
parts of it.
Okay. Okay. Delegates.
Okay.
So, in the next round robin, everyone please propose their point. So the
Okay, fine. But
speech was already drafted.
delegate
So
of
add your point.
Nikhil, France,
You're
can
making a
you
resolution now.
Point of personal
Sorry,
privilege.
sorry.
Good.
I had
uh,
yes, go ahead.
there is
Point
no
of
point.
personal privilege. Point of personal privilege.
Yes, go ahead.
start?
What is it?
Delegate of France, could you please speak up? Could the delegate of France please
What
speak up? I can't hear
was
him
he saying?
properly.
Okay. See. So it was about the thing we are going to do after the
Okay.
unmod.
Drafting
Hello?
resolution.
Okay.
Hello. Tell me.
I can hear you, delegates.
1 second. France, can you keep your phone away or your mic headphones away from the phone? We don't want to hear your personal conversation.
No phones allowed in committee, da. Die.
Is Gaurav there? Tanmay?
Tanmay is there.
Yeah, Nishant, can you hear me now? Hello?
Okay, so is
What?
Kanaya Kumar, why can't you connect the headphone or something else?
Yeah, Nishkam, Gaurav has
Just
an
give me a
internet
minute.
issue.
Someone's having
I'm just doing one thing for now.
technical issues.
Nishkam, can you hear
You
me?
all are able to hear me, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Del.
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah, so what I was saying was I'll be muting all the participants for once, and then you can unmute yourself when you have the chance to speak, so that we are having a lot of noise in the background, okay? So that would reduce. Nishkam, you two will be muted. You will have to unmute yourself.
Okay.
Agreed.
Okay.
Okay, so now you can unmute yourself when you have to speak. Only when you have to speak.
Tanmay, is there anyone, any chair from UNGA, UNDP, etc., any committee, co-chair,
We had
chair, anyone?
Pranesh, but Pranesh left, and
Hello,
Gaurav,
Tanmay.
hello, can you? Yeah, Nishkam, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So we had Pranesh and Gaurav, but Gaurav is having an internet issue. So what you can do is just
Okay.
ask in the chairs group if any chair is free right now and can come in right now to be your
Okay,
co-chair for
I'll
this
and
session.
but before that, Kanahaiya Kumar cannot hear anything.
Okay. So Kanhaiya Kumar, can you please
Yes.
check if your microphone is on and like can you check your microphone once? Maybe you have not allowed your microphone over there. When you start this Cisco WebEx Meet, they ask you to join with your computer audio. So that's needed to be done for you to be able to hear
Uh,
everyone else too.
एक second. If he's not able to hear you, he won't even get that. So repeat slowly so I can tell him on personal chat. I'm talking to him on WhatsApp.
So tell
So
him to
repeat.
like join the meeting again and then click on join with computer audio.
Okay.
Acha, for that time, I just want to tell all the delegates. So when we'll be doing the actual MUN, you might want to form groups in the unmoderated caucuses, right? So what you can do is you can use the WhatsApp group to find a number of the people you want to make a group with and make your own group for some sort of discussion, right? You are free to do that.
Uh, Part of personal privilege.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Uh, as you're aware that I wasn't there in committee for like for half an hour, so could you just brief me what all mods and stuff have happened and like what's going on now?
That's not important right now. Are you a first timer?
No, I'm not a first timer, but I just like I had to exit the committee due to some personal emergency for half an hour.
That's
So
no problem.
what's going on now?
Okay, wait. See,
Yeah.
see, this committee is not a formal committee. It's an informal
Yeah.
committee to get everyone accustomed to all the protocols of MUN and how the moderate caucus work. So you don't need to worry about what has been discussed. We are just having this committee informally right now. So just don't stress over this. And if you have anything to speak, I think you should get a chance. Although right now, do you want to continue with the moderate caucus and or just go to this draft
Actually,
resolution
I'm
and
not,
see how it works?
no, I'm aware of how, like how resos and stuff work. So basically, okay, can we are we free to lobby?
Yes, you are in
Like,
in unmoderate caucus. And one second. So okay, your secretary general will
no,
tell
for
you
the
about
actual MUN,
what?
for the actual one on 9th and 10th.
Yes, you are allowed to lobby, and your secretary general will brief you about it right now. How you can do that? The first thing you can do is like you can make your separate WhatsApp groups, and if you want to text each other on personal, you or for person from your committee, so you can take the number from the WhatsApp group that has been made, and then you can personally text them. Or if you want to lobby, you can make a separate room. I guess Secretary General will tell you
No,
about
no,
how you can
that's not
do
possible,
that.
Nisham. You cannot create a separate room over here. Over here, you will have to be in a group and you can discuss informally. But say you want to make a separate group for some sort of lobbying, you would have to use WhatsApp. Make your own group on WhatsApp, and there's this option to do a group voice call on WhatsApp. So you can use that.
Yeah.
See. The WhatsApp group voice call can only, I guess, take 4 people. So what you can do is use any other platform, for example, like
Yeah.
Zoom.
Good.
Yeah.
So you can
Oh,
add
good.
your friends there. Okay. So
Yeah, you can. What you can do is you can create your own Zoom meeting for the timing when we have an unmoderated caucus, or maybe you want to do a resolution drafting. So stay in this room and join. Start a new Zoom room to have a discussion over there. Right?
yes.
And another thing, and how many authors and sponsors does the committee expect to have in one block?
Depends on the number of attendees and the number of people in the committee. That will
Yeah,
be on
we'll
your
let
chair
you know
since
on
I'm
the
not
day
your chair.
itself.
So I cannot comment on that. Ask this question to your chair.
Good. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I think you all must have what?
Yeah, so I was saying that I think even chairs as of now would not know the exact number because we are waiting for more participants to come in. So when the final number arrives, you will only get to know that on the D day. So yeah.
Yes, so you don't need to worry about these things. Like they don't matter a lot. So you can ask this to in the day of MUN on the day of MUN itself. So there's this one thing now. I guess everyone. Okay, so you basically now know how MUN and the committee works. I don't think there's a further need to, continue this speaking with. Now let's come to the drafting resolution. So I'll be honest with you guys. My experience with is really less. Like I have done, I guess, 2 GAs and 3 HRCs. I mostly do AIPPM, and so although I know how draft resolution works, but and you guys are all, I guess, know about how it goes, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
maybe what we can do is I can ask
No, I don't know actually. Can you please brief me?
yeah, Vishram, I think what we can do is I can ask Siddharth to make a YouTube video about resolutions and stuff if he agrees on that. Otherwise, I'll send you another video which will detail how resolutions are made in a MUL. Is that okay? Because Nishkam is the chair of AIPPM and resolutions generally don't happen over there. What do you say, Nishkam?
Vora, draft resolution.
Tanmay,
Okay,
can you? Hello.
Hello?
yeah, 1 second. Guys, what's happened in committee right now? Sorry, I dropped for a
So,
second.
Gaurav, if possible, you could brief them about
Yeah,
resolutions. That would be great because Nishkam is the chair of
yeah,
AIPPM.
yeah, sure. Okay, so wait, what has happened in committee for the past 10 minutes? Can the delegate of France tell me?
France, your mic is muted.
And what we decided that we'll have a round robin and discuss the ways in which we can use AI for curbing COVID-19 and come up with a working paper and a resolution.
Okay, so for this session, you don't need a working paper, a resolution. We can go straight to the resolution. Now, okay, for those of you who
Okay.
don't, I mean, Delegate of France have probably done a couple of months. For those of you who don't know, a resolution basically you put into points or you document your solution, your proposed solution. Say you come up with a solution to um, set up a special body under the United Nations General Assembly to monitor cases in this in all the countries.
Hello,
How
am I
many crores?
audible?
Yeah. Okay, so that's basically what resolution is. You just document your solutions. Now, okay, effectively now your unmoderated caucus has ended.
Hello.
Now, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so your unmoderated caucus has ended. Are there any motions on the floor? Please send it in the chat box.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, Delegate of France.
The delegate of France proposes a round robin allotting 30 seconds per speaker discussing solutions on how we can use AI to curb COVID 19.
All right. And what's the speaker time?
Excuse me.
30
Yeah.
seconds per speaker.
All right. That motion is in order. Are there any other motions?
Uh, can I know what round robin is? I don't know.
Okay. So what a round robin is basically everyone going around one by one speaking. So we start from the Delegate of France because he raised the motion,
Okay.
and we'll go one by one in the order I'll decide, and everyone gets 30 seconds.
Okay.
They put forward their views. If you don't want to speak, although I suggest you should, if you don't want to, just say pass. We'll move on to the next speaker and come back to you later.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
So what is the
basically.
topic? What is the topic?
Delegate of France, can you repeat it?
You're muted. Delegate of France, you're muted.
How we can use AI to find solutions in curbing COVID 19 cases.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
All right. So that motion is in order. Are there any other motions?
Hello. Am I audible? Hello. So what are you doing right now? Are you going with the resolution or what?
Yeah, we finished the unmoderated caucus. We'll have the last discussion, and then they'll get to drafting.
I think we should skip that discussion because the main purpose of this was like to give them a gist how the MUN works for the first timers. So rather than going in detail and I think they have got the point. What's the purpose? So just skip to the resolution part.
A lot of them haven't
Excuse
had a
me,
chance.
excuse me, Nishyang Tyagi, because we need the time for like typing in the resolution. So the draft is ready, but we need points. Have a round.
Delegate of France. Okay, first.
Yes.
Calm yourself down. This is not a formal MUN. You won't be getting any awards for this. And this is just to teach the other delegates how moderate caucus works, how points work. And there are a lot of first timers. So give them a taste of the MUN, what MUN exactly is. So don't stress yourself so much and go on writing resolutions, big paras. Just include one or two clause, discuss upon them, and that's it. So we don't require from you to get a full 4-page resolution or something like that. Only two clauses, that's it. Two clauses as a committee. And we don't are not even accepting different clauses, sorry, different blocks and different resolutions. One resolution only. One
Respected General
resolution.
Secretary.
What?
Hello.
Yes.
The delegate of India here. Does the committee mind if I give the committee a suggestion?
Yes, go ahead.
I think the delegate of India feels that I think almost everyone's aware of, like how is it going to work out. So I just like to suspend the. I'd like to raise a motion to suspend this formal meeting
Okay, yes.
and maybe adjourn the meeting also.
No, delegate, that's not in order. We have not come to the resolution drafting.
Okay, but we get your point. Okay, that's what I am saying too. That right now, rather than discussing, new topics, let's just skip to resolution. And
Because most of them have already left the committee.
yes, I get it.
Delegate of
And there
Saudi
are
Arabia
also,
left.
It's even close to lunch time, so you all must be tired right
Yeah,
now even. So Gaurav, have
we
you
started at 12.
12 around 12? Yes, I get it.
Been an
So
hour and
let's
a
skip
half.
to resolution and wrap up. Okay. Don't worry, we are just wrapping up. Gaurav, have you briefed them about the resolutions, or
Yeah.
do you want to do it now?
No, no, I've briefed them.
You all know about how to go ahead with the resolution and how to draft it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just start doing it,
Question.
discuss, get.
Yeah,
Yes,
go
go
ahead.
ahead.
Who does the drafting?
Mr.
The
Mura.
authors do.
You decide amongst yourself, delegate.
See, usually what happens is,
How to? Excuse me. Can I
yes,
speak?
yes, go
Yeah.
ahead.
How to draft a resolution? I am actually new, so I don't know much.
Okay, wait,
Yeah,
I'll
same here.
explain.
I'm a newbie
So
too.
can you
Yeah.
tell me how
I
to
am new
draft
too. I don't
the
know.
Okay,
resolution?
I'll tell. Okay, wait. So the thing is, like, during an MUN,
Hello?
help. Am I audible?
Yeah. I mean,
So, okay,
uh,
okay, that's fine. So the thing is, like, guys form a block. Like,
Excuse me?
am I
I
audible or
can't
not?
hear you.
you are audible to me.
Audible.
Am I audible? Am
Uh-huh.
I audible to
Uh-huh.
everyone?
Yeah,
You're
you
not
are audible.
audible.
Okay, so
Now you're
during the
audible. Yes.
during the course of your discussion, obviously you guys will form blocks. Blocks basically means there are some
Yes.
countries or some people you agree to and some you disagree to. To the people that you agree to, you form kind of an association. Am I audible?
Yes.
Then this, what's his name? Venkatesh something. I'm sorry. I'm not able to.
Yeah. Call
Yes,
me
so
Satvik. That's my dad's name. My name's Satvik.
okay, Satvik. So your video is loading again and again, like when I'm speaking. So are you able to hear me or
Hello?
not?
Okay, Nishkam, shall I give in a suggestion?
Hello.
Yes.
So I think everyone is tired because people are leaving now. So what we can do is maybe we can send in a YouTube video about resolutions and all.
We'll do that. I'm just briefing how does this work. So I'll end it here. You don't even need to make the, resolution now. So what I was telling you is, so you form blocks and then your block decides to, make a resolution. Resolution may, I guess you must be knowing about the clauses and how to, write it. And we'll even send you a video on the group so you can, watch that. But that's how it works. It have sponsors and signatories, and if you agree to it, you become a signatory, and if you don't, then you don't. As simple as that.
Right.
And
We'll
now
send you
I
the
guess,
further information via the group through a YouTube video. It would either be made by Siddharth or would be a very good source, right? All right. So
hmm.
see you. Thanks for
Share.
joining us in
don't
this
don't
session.
don't end the room right now.
Right. So
Like
Ted, may I
you
ask a
all can leave.
question?
Yes.
Do we have one more mock one like tomorrow?